now the neurons, they are of two types, sensory neurons and the motor neurons. Sensory neurons, they carry nerve impulse from sense organs to the central nervous system. Central nervous system means brain and or spinal cord. And motor neurons are the neurons which carry nerve impulse from central nervous system to the various sense organs. Now, how this nerve impulse is transmitted? The nerve impulse is transmitted, हमने देखा कि nerves में कैसा arrangement है कि the neurons, they lie side by side. They are present, the neurons, they lie one after the other. The nerve impulse, any change or any stimulus is received by the dendrite of neuron from the environment. Like we are listening to a sound, we are seeing an object or any change in environment, it is detected by the dendrite of the neuron from the environment, and a nerve impulse is set up in the axon. This nerve impulse, when it reaches here, यहाँ पे क्या present थे? There were present synaptic knobs. This synaptic knob, it will release a chemical in this space, that is synapse, and these chemicals are called neurotransmitters. Mainly the neurotransmitter is, name of that chemical or the neurotransmitter is acetylcholine. This neurotransmitter, then it binds to the surface of next neuron and it sets a nerve impulse in the next neuron. It will go through the axon. जब ये यहाँ आएगा तो यहाँ जो synaptic knob है, it will also release a chemical substance, neurotransmitter, which will be released in this synapse or the synaptic cleft. This neurotransmitter, mainly it is acetylcholine, it will bind to the surface of next neuron. It will again generate और ultimately यह कहाँ पहुँचेगा? Into the organ or the muscle, and mainly तो ये क्या होगा जब ये neurotransmitter यहाँ आएगा तो it will lead to the muscle contraction. This is how nerve impulse is generated, that is any stimulus or any change in the environment is received by the dendrites of the neuron, which sets a nerve impulse in the cell body, then the axon. Nerve impulse travels through the axon, reaches to the synaptic knob. From this synaptic knob is released a neurotransmitter, that is a chemical, mainly it is acetylcholine. In the synapse region, it will bind to the next surface, next neuron, a nerve impulse is set in and the process will continue, and ultimately the message is or the nerve impulse is conveyed to the organ.